Hello everyone, my name is Keerthik. I am studying in Srinivas Institute of Technology, first year CSBS branch. My topic is AI College Connect. The design concept is a website or an app that uses an AI to gather the information of the colleges like courses, fee structure, placement options, etc. details. This will help the students who have cleared 12th to find the proper college they require. A revolutionize higher education by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to provide a seamless, personalized, and efficient learning experience for students while optimizing an administrative process for educational institutions. The advantages of AI College Connect are efficient admission process. AI can streamline the college admission process by automating administrative tasks such as application sorting and initial screening. This saves time for both applicants and the admissions staff. Cost reduction. By automating various tasks and optimizing resource allocations, colleges can potentially reduce operational cost. Personalized learning. AI can create personalized learning paths for students. It can analyze a student's strengths and weaknesses and recommend specific courses or resources to help them improve. Global reach. AI can facilitate online learning, making it possible for colleges to reach a global audience and offer courses for students around the world. Research assistance. AI can assist researchers in various fields by analyzing vast amounts of data, helping them discover patterns and insights that may not be apparent through the traditional methods. 24/7 support. AI provided chatbots and virtual assistants can provide round the clock support the students and prospective applicants, ensuring that their questions are answered at any time. This is the working of AI College Connect. Data collection and integration. The system collects data from various sources, including student records, course materials, and administrative database. This database is cleaned and processed and integrated into a centralized database. User interaction. Students, faculty, administrators, and other stakeholders interact with the system through web or mobile applications. The system uses natural language processing and chatbot technology to provide user-friendly interface for inquiries and interactions. Monitoring and reporting. AI continuously monitors student progress, engagement, and performance. It generates reports and alerts, such as identifying at-risk students to help educators and administrators make informed decisions. Thank you.